Hi guys, this is the Innovative Minds Tutor. In this lesson, we'll focus on exponential equations. Uh, it is important to know this property when solving an exponential equation. Consider this property. If a to the power of x is equals to a to the power of y, then y is equals to x, or x is equals to y. So when you need to ensure that always your bases are the same so that you can drop the exponents. So it is important to know the laws of exponents when solving an exponential equation. So consider this equation. Solve for x. Given that 27 to the power of x is equals to 1 over 9. Remember, we need to ensure that both left hand side and right hand side, the bases are the same. But how can we do that? We need to change 27 into exponential form. If we change 27, it will be 3 to the power 3, because this will give us 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 9 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, I mean it's 9. 9 multiplied by 3, it's 27. So we already know that 27 will be 3 to the power of 3. So here, let's plug in 3 to the power of 3 and power x there. Then we need to change 1 all over 9. 1 all over 9 will be 1 all over 3 to the power of 2. So let's make it to be in a negative exponent so that we avoid fractions there. So it will be 3 to the power of negative 3 to the power of negative 2. So let's plug in. So what do we do there? What do we do now? 3 times x, it becomes 3 to the power, it becomes 3 raised to the power of 3x. 3 raised to the power of negative 2. So what do we do then? Now our second step is to drop the exponents according to this property. So 3x will be equated to 2. Then now third step is to make x the subject by dividing both sides by 3. Therefore, finally, x is equals to negative 2 all over 3. So we can also check by substituting where there is x here. So it's very important that you check your solution. So let's check. Ensure that you check your solution before you attempt other questions. This is intended for exam purposes. For exam purposes, you can check, and it's very important to check so that you know what you are doing is correct. So let's check there. 27 raised to the power negative 2 all over 3. So we can change 27 to exponential form. It becomes 3 to the power 3 to the power negative 2 3 to the power negative all over 3. Then this and this, they cancel each other. We are left with 3 to the power negative 2, which is equals to 1 over 9. So it means that our solution x is equals to negative 2 all over 3 is correct. So now consider this type of equation. 1 all over 25 to the power of x multiplied by 25 to the power of x minus 2 equated to 1. So we need to also change 125 as well as 25 and 1 so that they have the same basis. So let's change 125. We change 125. This will be 5 raised to the power of 3, because it will be 25 times 3, which gives you 125. So as well as we need to change 25 there, this will be 5 to the power of 2. This will give you 25 if you change it. 25, because if you say 5 times 5, it becomes 25. So as well as the right hand side, we need to change it. We need to change it to an exponential form. So the base of 5 will be raised to the power of 0. So 5 to the power of 0, it gives you 1. So this is known because of the definition or law of an exponent, which says that any base that is being powered by 0, it gives you what? 1. So let's plug in. So this will be 5 to the power of 3x and 5 to the power of 2, x minus 2, and this becomes 5 to the power of 0. Then let's simplify the left hand side. So this will be 3x, and this will be 2 times x, it becomes 2x. 2 times negative 2, it becomes negative 4. Then 5 to the power of 0. Then When the bases are the same according to the laws of exponents, we know that when the a to the power of m and a to the power of n, when the bases are the same, what do? We add the exponents, so it will be m plus n. So similarly here it will be 3x plus 2x minus 4 equated to 5 to the power of 0. We know that when you collect the like terms, 3x plus 2x, it's 5x. Since the bases are the same, drop the exponents. So it will be 5x minus 4 equated to 0. Then let's transpose negative 4. We need to make x the subject of the formula. Then this will become positive 4 because it will be 0 plus 4, which is 4. Then divide both sides by 5. So x is equals to 4 all over 5. X is equals to 4 all over 5. Hope you find this video useful, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, else our next video will explain when dealing with solving an exponential equation with addition or subtraction. We love you.